In this video, I'll show you how you can create a playlist on YouTube. I'll also show you how you can add videos to that playlist. Then I'll show you how you can add a playlist to your homepage of your YouTube channel. So this is going to be a really simple step-by-step tutorial. So first you want to go to your YouTube channel, then go to manage videos, and that will take you into the back end of your channel. Once you're on your channel content, you can then go to create in the top right hand corner, and here you'll see new playlist. So you can go ahead and click on new playlist. We'll then give you the option to create a title or description and change the visibility. So let's say I want to make a playlist for my Canva tutorials. So I'm going to call this playlist Canva tutorials, and I'm going to give it a quick description now. So I've added a title and a brief description. I'm then going to click on create, and that will then go ahead and create that playlist. Now you won't see that playlist straight away. What you've got to do is go to playlists, and you can see we've got a new playlist called Canva tutorials with no videos in it. Now, if you go ahead and click on that playlist, it will open it, and you can change more details. You can change how you want to sort the videos. So do you want them manually sorted? Do you want them sorted by newest, most popular? You can then go to videos, and here's where we can start to add videos. So if you click on add videos, you can upload new videos to this playlist, or you can choose existing videos. So I'm going to choose existing videos, and you can then go ahead and go through your recent videos and just add them, or you can search for specific keywords. So I'm going to search for Canva, and because these are all Canva videos, I'm going to select all of these videos. So let me just select all of these. I've got quite a few Canva videos. Okay, so once you've got all of your videos selected, you can then go to add, and that will then add all of those videos to that playlist. So there you go. We've now got all of these videos in this Canva tutorials playlist. Now let's go back, and you can see here is the Canva tutorials playlist. If you wanted to get a link to this playlist, you can go to options and get a shareable link. Now let's add this playlist to the YouTube channel. So if we go to your channel, you can then go to customize channel, and here under featured sections, you can go add section. You can add a single playlist. I can add my Canva playlist, click publish, and then view channel. And now this playlist should be live on my homepage. So here you can see Canva tutorials. So you can do this as many times as you want. You don't even have to add it to your YouTube channel if you don't want to. But that's how you can create a playlist and add videos to it on YouTube.